Welcome to MGLVA. We are so excited to partner with you and your student in this school year. I am Christian Patterson Alexander. I'm the Community Engagement Specialist here at MGLVA, and I am excited to work with you all to ensure that you have a strong start and you have the supports you need as a learning coach here at MGLVA. I'm creating this short video to help you with getting started and setting up your LC account and your student account and where to locate our new family orientation, which is very important as you are getting started here at MGLVA. So you should have received an email from registration at k12.com. Within this email is all that getting started information, but it guides you to setting up your LC account. There are two accounts that you will primarily use here at MGLVA. The first account is that Learning Coach account. The second account is the student account. We must create the Learning Coach account in order to create the student account. The Learning Coach account allows you to overview everything that your student is working on. It allows you to participate in all of the Learning Coach opportunities that we have. That student account is what your student will work in day in and day out, is what I should say there. They'll be completing all of their coursework there, connecting with their teachers, and participating in those social opportunities and clubs that we offer here at MGLVA. So right back at that email, that getting started email, you're going to be looking for that registration ID. That registration ID is very important for setting up your account. To be honest, you cannot create your account without that registration ID, okay? Within this email, you can click set up my online school accounts, okay? Once you do that, you'll be redirected to this screen here. You're going to input your registration ID and then click continue. Each registration ID is personalized to each learning coach. Do not share that information. That is your information to set up your account. Once you input that registration ID, you're going to click continue. There'll be some questions that you'll be asked to set up that account, but most importantly, you'll be asked to create a username and password. Make sure it is something that you will remember, write it down, and keep it in a safe place so that you are able to access your account at a later date, okay? So once we've created our Learning Coach account, we're going to come over to login-learn.k12.com and we're going to log into our account. So let me say, if you didn't click on that set up your account via that email, you can always come back to login-learn.k12.com, click on set up your account, enter that registration ID, follow those questions, enter that username and password to set up your account as well. But right now, we're going to focus on logging into our Learning Coach account and locating that new family orientation, okay? So I have my username and password entered here. I'm clicking log in. Once I click log in, I see my student schedule in front of me. I don't want to look at my student schedule. I'm going to go over here and click on my schedule as the learning coach. Once I click on my schedule, under events is where I will find that new family orientation, okay? Go ahead and click on the link to join at the time that is listed, and we will see you there. We'll be excited to share with you the MGLVA expectations, information from our handbook, and more about our online school. Again, check your schedule for times and dates for that new family orientation, as it is a great start or a great helpful resource and tool and requirement for getting started here at MGLVA. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video, and I look forward to connecting with you this school year.